Hey there, it's Christian from RackNerd. Today, we are diving into a key aspect of redefining your WordPress website, installing plugins. If you've ever wondered about the secrets behind top performing sites, the answer might just be a simple question. Have you explored the power of plugins? Before we dive into it, please ensure that you already have a WordPress site up and running. If you haven't already, you can check out our recent tutorials about WordPress installation in different hosting environments. And just pick whichever one suits your taste, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of plugins in WordPress and how to install them for your next project. Now let's uncover the world of plugins and how they elevate your WordPress site. You'll not only grasp what plugins are, but also master how to leverage their potential for superior website experience. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Plugins act as essential tools, elevating your website from basic to outstanding. They quietly enhance features, boost performance, and ensure that your site not only looks polished, but also operates seamlessly. But before we dive into the details of installation, selecting the right plugin is crucial. Think of it as choosing the project tool for a specific job. With thousands of options, both free and premium, we'll guide you to finding the right one that aligns with your website's needs. Now let's get into the step-by-step process of installing a plugin. Watch my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head on over to Plugins and click on Add New. Find a plugin that fits your needs and click Install, and watch WordPress do its magic. Activate the plugin with one simple click. Now here's a pro tip, some plugins might have their own category in the menu. Keep an eye out for the plugin names, and when you see them, hover over to access their setting. If your chosen plugin falls into this category, you'll find specific settings there. It's like having a customized menu just for that plugin, making it even easier to tailor it to your liking. If your plugin doesn't have a separate menu category, don't worry. You can usually find its settings under the General Settings or Tools section. And there you have it. Straightforward steps to enhance your WordPress site with plugins. Don't hesitate to explore different options out there. There are so many to choose from. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. For top-notch web hosting services, check out RackNerd.com. At RackNerd, we offer cPanel and VPS hosting. This supports WordPress, and our team is well experienced in hosting WordPress-related websites. So you're in good hands. So thanks for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next video. Talk soon.